What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. We're going to show you what's in the shop. We're going to start outside this week with this beautiful Aston Martin Vantage AMR. So we did some paint protection film on this car. We did the front bumper as well as the carbon splitter up front, the carbon fiber rocker panels and the mirrors, as well as the rear impact area. So that's basically this part right here. You can see the line, and that is going to protect from all those rocks that the front wheel is going to throw up. We also did the front doors. So he noticed this area was getting abused. We made sure we protected that whole thing. So beautiful car, it's now protected. Let's go around back. They're having a picnic for lunch. Now you know when we filmed this. All right, so we've got an Audi A5. So this car is a unique situation. It had paint protection film installed somewhere else, and the film got damaged from a salt truck. So he's removing that, or we're removing that, I guess. We already did that this morning. We need to get the rest of the adhesive off, and then he's upgrading from a partial front end to a full. So he only had half the hood and half the fenders. You can see the line where the adhesive is. We're gonna make sure we covered the entire fender, the entire hood, and the mirrors. This Veloster was in this morning for some window tint. We've got a Ford Explorer. This one got the windows tinted this morning as well. And this Ram 2500 got a few different things. We did paint protection film on the whole hood, the fenders, and the rocker panels all the way back to the rear bumper. We also installed window tint on the front windows and the visor across the top of the windshield. Over here we've got a Mazda Miata. This one got a full paint protection film wrap. We also tinted the windows, and it got Clearplex installed on the windshield to protect the windshield from rock chips. So this one is just about ready to go home. It just needs final cleanup and inspection. This Grand Cherokee's here for ceramic coating. It is next in line. It'll be getting prepped this afternoon. And we've got a Tesla Model Y. There's always a Tesla here. This one got the full front end protected with XPEL 10 mil paint protection film. So it's a little bit thicker for the best protection that exists. We did the whole front end, the mirrors, and the wear and tear package. So on this one, we can't do door cups since there is no door cup, but we did the door edges and the door sill. This Toyota Tundra is here for a detail and a one-step paint correction. We'll get started on that probably this afternoon. And we have a Range Rover about to go home. This one got ceramic coated. It also got the front windows tinted with our XPEL XR series. So that's a ceramic tint. Looks great. It's designed to block heat as well to keep you more comfortable in the car. And back in the back, we've got an F-150. That one is also on deck for prep. So that one and the Jeep are probably going to get prepped this afternoon for ceramic coating. All right, this Ram here got paint protection film installed on the front end. So we did the front bumper and what we call the bumperettes right underneath the headlights. We also tinted the windows on this one. It is ready to go home. We've got a Cayenne GTS. So we are a Fab Speed dealer. We don't do a lot of that type of work, but for some good friends we do. And this one got the cat delete pipes installed, as well as a tune. So that one's ready to go home. So this Z06 over here, you guys may remember from a couple of weeks ago, we had to strip it and retint it darker. And unfortunately, the owner accidentally scratched the windshield, I think with a watch, when he was cleaning it. So we stripped the windshield, and we just retinted that with our XR Plus series. This Acura A-Spec SUV got window tint installed this morning. We've got an AMG G63. This one is here for some paint protection film and a paint correction and a ceramic coating as well. So I'm gonna get started on that one shortly. And a Subaru STI. This one got paint protection film installed on the partial front end. So half the hood, half the fenders, the front bumper, and the mirrors are all protected with XPEL. Let's go see what's inside the shop. In the tint bay, we've got Terrell tinting a Hyundai. Over here in the ceramic coating world, we have a Mustang 5.0. This one got the roof wrapped in black. We also did the shark fin antenna, and we're going to be polishing and ceramic coating the car. That's what you see Caleb doing there right now. Nathan is currently prepping an F-150. This one's getting a full detail package inside and out. And Sam is doing some finishing touches on a GLE 43. This one's here for a ceramic coating. And this is probably the most fun project of the week. We've got a G63, a brand new one. I don't know what they call this color, but it's really cool. It's a satin finish from Mercedes, and we are wrapping the entire thing in XPEL Stealth. So you can't tell, but probably half of this is done right now, and we're going to be finishing that up in the next couple of days. Then we're going to be ceramic coating the car also. So that's it for what's in the shop this week, guys. If you haven't already subscribed to us on YouTube, make sure you do that. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned to see what's going on here, as well as our new Gibsonia location and maybe future locations after that.